How we fix Outlook search not working fix. So if you want to fix the Outlook search not working, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Outlook. Once you open up your Outlook, now you just need to simply click on File, which is on the upper left, and then you need to select the options. After that, we need to click on Search. In the result section, we need to choose all mailboxes, and then we click on Indexing Options, which is right here, and then click on Modify, which is right here on the left side, and click on OK. Finally, then click on Advanced and click Build Up, and click on OK to proceed. In my case, my indexing is not working, but if it is, then you can simply go with Modify and then follow the steps. Once you've done that, your problem might be fixed, but if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, now you just need to simply search for Troubleshooter or Troubleshoot settings. Click on it and then go with other troubleshooters. And here you need to scroll down and go with Search and Indexing. And if you have that option, go with Run, which will be on the right side, and then take on Outlook search doesn't return results, and then click on Next. And after that, you may receive a notification about requiring admin permission for troubleshooting. If you receive the notification, you can click on Try Troubleshooting as an admin. After that, click on Outlook search doesn't return results again, and then click on Next. And if Windows detects any issue at this stage, it will automatically resolve the issue. And after that, you need to restart your device and your problem will be fixed. So these were the solutions on how your Outlook search is not working and how you can fix it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.